Now we are going to discuss about frequently asking questions or standard questions of first year first book. So 50 questions I'm going to ask you. You just take a paper and pen and answer them. Later I'm giving a key for them and you check it by yourself. First one, Van der Waals gas equation P plus A by V square into V minus B is equal to RT. So in that, what is the dimensional formula of A by B, or A by B represent what physical quantity? Second one, what is the value of 1 by root of mu naught epsilon naught value? 1 by root of mu naught epsilon naught. Third one, rate of flow. Rate of flow, dimensional formula. What is the dimensional formula for rate of flow? Fourth one, the resultant of two unit vectors is also a unit vector. Find the magnitude of their difference. Find the magnitude of their difference. Fifth one, modulus of A bar plus B bar is equal to modulus of A bar minus B bar. Find the angle between A bar and B bar. Sixth one, P bar cross Q bar is R bar. P bar cross Q bar is R bar. Then find the P bar dot R bar. How much? P bar dot R bar, how much? A pendulum suspended, mass of the bob is M. How much horizontal force is required to pull the bob aside, making an angle theta with vertical? A body, eighth one, a body is moving in a straight line path. U and V are initial and final velocities. What is velocity of the body at the midpoint? What is velocity of the body at midpoint? Ninth one, starting from rest, a body is moving with uniform acceleration. In first t time, the displacement traveled is x, and in the next t time, displacement traveled is y. Then what is the relation between x and y? Tenth one, a body starting from rest, moving with an acceleration alpha for some time, then moving with a retardation beta and comes to rest. Then, if a total displacement of the journey is s, what is the maximum velocity acquired by the body? The maximum velocity acquired by the body. Next, 10th one, 11th one, a body thrown downward with a certain velocity from the top of tower takes t1 time to reach the ground. Another body projected vertically upward with the same velocity and it reached to the ground in a t2 time. First body thrown downward, second body thrown upward with the same speed. They take t1, t2 times to reach the ground. And third body dropped from the top of tower. What is the relation between them? That means a freely falling body takes t time, and what is the relation between t1, t2? Next one, a body projected with velocity u making an angle theta with horizontal. In how much time the velocity vector is perpendicular to initial direction of projection? 14th one, a body projected with speed u making an angle theta, just a projectile. What is velocity of the projectile at half of maximum height? 15th one, two bodies projected with complementary angles theta 90 minus theta. Then maximum heights reached by them are h1 and h2. Then what is the range? Range is equal for them. What is the range in terms of h1 and h2? Next, 16th one, a force produces an acceleration a1 in one body and an acceleration a2 in another body. Now the two bodies combined and same force is applied. What is the acceleration of the system? Next, 17th one, balloon falling down with an acceleration a. From that, without change in volume, some mass is thrown out. Now the balloon is rising up with the same acceleration a. If mass of the balloon is capital M, what is mass thrown out from the balloon? 18th, a knife of mass capital M dropped from a height h. and on reaching to the ground it is penetrated through a distance x into the ground. Then what is total resistance force offered on the knife? Next, 19, two masses m1 m2 connected to a massless string passing over a frictionless pulley, and the masses released m1 greater than m2, so masses moving. What is the tension in the string? 20th, car moving in curved banked road. What is maximum safe speed of the car? Curved banked road. Angle of banking theta. Next, an insect is in a bowl of radius r. Mu is coefficient of friction between them. The maximum height scrolled by the insect from the bottom without slipping. Next one, there are two inclined planes, angle theta, and one is smooth, one is rough. The time taken to slide on rough inclined plane is n times the time taken to slide on smooth inclined plane. Then, what is the coefficient of friction of rough inclined plane? Next, 23rd, there is an inclined plane, angle theta. First half of the inclined plane is smooth and remaining half is rough. A block is released at the top of the smooth inclined plane. Then the block comes to rest at the bottom of rough inclined plane, rough surface. Then what is coefficient of friction of rough surface? Next, a force is applied making an angle theta to pull a body with horizontal, and alpha is angle of friction. Then what is the minimum force required to pull the body? Minimum force required to pull the body. 25, question number 25. What is velocity of the bullet if a block of mass m suspended and bullet fired, bullet embedded in the block and the system is raised through a height h? What is velocity of the bullet? Next, 26th one. A chain of mass m and length l is on a table such that 1 by nth part is hanging at the edge of the table. Then what is work done in pulling the hanging part over to the table? Next, 27th one. A bullet is fired from a gun. N bullets are firing per second from a gun. Mass of each bullet is m and velocity of the bullet is v. Then what is the power of the machine gun? What is power of the machine gun? Next, 28th one. A water motor lifting a mass of water through a height h and ejecting with a speed v. In t time, it is lifting the water and ejecting. Then what is the power of the motor? Next, 29th one. A ball is dropped from a height h on a hard surface. E is coefficient of restitution between the ball and the floor, and after some certain number of bounces it is come to rest. What is the total distance travelled by the ball before coming to rest? And 30th, what is the total time taken by the ball to come to rest? 31st question. A body of mass m1 collide another body of mass m2 at rest elastically. What is the fraction of Ke transferred from first body to second body? 32. A ball moving with a certain speed collide another identical ball at rest. E is coefficient of restitution between them. What is the ratio of their velocities after collision? Velocity of the first ball to the velocity of the second ball. Okay. 33. A ball is moving with momentum p, collide another identical ball at rest. The impulse transferred during collision is j. Then the coefficient of restitution between them. Next, 34th one. A wire of length capital L, straight wire of length L, bend in the form of circle. What is the shift of center of mass? 35th one. A straight wire of length L, bend at the midpoint such that the two parts are perpendicular. What is the shift of center of mass? Next, 36th one. There is a disc of radius A, uniform disc. From the edge of the disc, another disc of radius B is removed. What is the shift of center of mass? 37th one. Four identical bricks kept one over another and projecting. Without falling, the maximum distance of x that projected all the bricks. Maximum projection how much? Without falling. What is value of x? Next, number 38. A baby is in a cradle swinging, and if she suddenly stands, what happened to the time period of oscillation? Time period of oscillation. 39th one. A stick of length L kept vertically on a table and released. It is falling without slipping. Then what is its angular velocity? Next, 40th question. Moment of inertia of the disk is I, about an axis perpendicular to the plane. Now at the center, another disk of radius, half of the radius of the disk is removed. Then what is moment of inertia of the remaining part? What is moment of inertia of the remaining part? 41st one. Earth shrinks to half of its size without change in mass. Present duration of the rotation of Earth is 24 hours. Then what is the duration of the day now after shrinking? Next, 42. A body is rolling, rigid body, rolling, not slipping, rolling. Then it has both translational and rotational kinetic energies. What fraction of kinetic energy is translational? What fraction of K is translational? Okay. Next, 43. A body is rolling on an inclined plane of inclination theta. What is minimum coefficient of friction required to roll the body? Minimum coefficient of friction required. Next, 44. A planet of mass m revolving around the sun. What is its aerial velocity if angular momentum of the planet is L? What is its aerial velocity? 45. Radius of the planet is capital R. At what height the weight of the body become half that on the surface of the planet? At what height weight of the body become half that on the surface of Earth? 46th one. VE is escape velocity and a body projected k times of escape velocity, k times. At infinity distance, what is velocity of the body? 47th one. R is radius of the planet. A body projected 1 by k times of escape velocity. Then the maximum height raised by the body before its velocity becomes 0. Next, 48th one. The weight of the body at equator is 0 if Earth rotates more faster. What will be angular velocity of the Earth if the weight of the body becomes 0 at equator? We need the value and formula. Next, 49th one. Escape velocity, how much percentage greater than orbital velocity? How much percentage greater? Next, last one, 50th one. VE and VO are escape velocity and orbital velocities. A satellite is revolving around the Earth, suddenly stopped. the satellite falls to the surface of Earth. Then what is velocity of the satellite on reaching to the Earth? So these are the 50 questions. Now we check the answers. First one, Van der Waals gas equation. A by B represent energy or work done. Dimensional formula m1 L2 t power minus 2. Second one, 1 by root of mu naught epsilon naught value, velocity of light 3 into 10 power 8. Rate of flow means volume per second. So dimensional formula L3 t power minus 1. The resultant of two vectors is also a unit vector, means angle between them 120. Find the magnitude of their difference, means root 3. Answer is root 3. If a bar plus b bar is equal to a bar minus b bar, then magnitudes are equal, then the angle between them 90 degrees. Sixth one, a bar cross b bar is equal to c bar. Let the p bar cross q bar is r bar. What is dot product of p bar and r bar? Because p bar and r bar are perpendicular, their dot product is 0. Seventh one, how much horizontal force is required to pull the bob aside? F is equal to mg tan theta. And eighth one, a body moving with acceleration, u and v are initial and final velocities, their velocity at midpoint, root of u square plus v square by 2. Ninth one, in first t time displacement is x, in the next t time displacement is y, then what is the relation between them? Y is equal to 3x. Next, 10th one, first moving with acceleration alpha, then retardation beta comes to rest, then maximum velocity acquired is equal to root of 2 alpha beta into s by alpha plus beta. Root of 2 alpha beta into s by alpha plus beta. Next, 11th one, the free fall time is t, the relation between t, t1, t2. T is equal to root of t1, t2. T is equal to root of t1, t2. Okay. Next, 12th one, question missed. A freely falling body covered takes t1 time to fall first half and t2 time to fall second half. Then t1 t2 ratio. T1 t2 ratio. 1 is to root 2 minus 1. 1 is to root 2 minus 1. Next, 13th one, body projected. After what time velocity vector is perpendicular to initial direction of projection? T is equal to u by g sin theta, and velocity at that position u cot theta. Next, velocity of the projectile at half of maximum height is u into root of 1 plus cos square theta by 2. 1 plus cos square theta by 2. Next, 15th one, two bodies projected with complementary angles. Then the range is 4 root h1 h2. 4 into root h1 h2. Next, force produces an acceleration a1 in one body and an acceleration a2 in another body. The two bodies combined, then the same force is applied. Now the acceleration a is equal to a1 a2 by a1 plus a2. Balloon falling down with an acceleration a, some mass is thrown out. Now it is moving up with the same acceleration. The mass thrown out is 2ma by g plus a. Knife edge, knife dropped. The total resistance is mg into 1 plus h by x. Next, tension in the string. Two masses m1 m2 connected to the string and passing over a pulley. Tension is 2 m1 m2 by m1 plus m2 into g. And the next 20th question, maximum safe speed is root of rg into bracket mu plus tan theta by 1 minus mu tan theta. Maximum height scrolled by the insect is 21st question, r into 1 minus 1 by root of mu square plus 1. 22nd one, the coefficient of friction of rough inclined plane, if it takes n times more time then to slide on smooth inclined plane, is mu is equal to tan theta into 1 minus 1 by n square. Next, half surface is smooth, half is rough. The coefficient of friction of rough inclined plane mu is equal to tan theta to tan theta. Okay, 24th one. The minimum force required to pull the body is mg sin alpha by cos of theta minus alpha. Next, 25th one. Velocity of the bullet is capital M plus small m by small m into root of 2gh. 26th one. The work done in pulling hanging part is mgl by 2n square. mgl by 2n square. Next, 27th one. Power of the machine gun half m n v square whole by t, whole divided by t. Next, 28th one. Power of the water motor is mgh plus half mv square by t. mgh plus half mv square by t. 29th one. The total distance travelled by the body before coming to rest when it is dropped from a height h is d is equal to h into 1 plus e square by 1 minus e square. 30th one. Total time taken is root of 2h by g into 1 plus e by 1 minus e. 31st one. The fraction of k transferred is 4 m1 m2 by m1 plus m2 whole square. 4 m1 m2 by m1 plus m2 whole square. 32nd one. The ratio of the velocities after collision, if E is coefficient of restitution, is 1 minus E by 1 plus E. 1 minus E by 1 plus E. 33rd question is the coefficient of restitution is 2j by P minus 1. 2j by P minus 1. 34th one. When it is bended in the circular path, circle, the shift of center of mass is L by 2 pi. When the wire bended in the form of L shape, the shift is L by 4 root 2. L by 4 root 2. When disk of radius be removed, the shift of center of mass is A minus B into B square by A square minus B square. And 4 bricks kept one over another, maximum projection is x is equal to 11L by 12. And next, the stick kept vertically released and falling onto the table without slipping. The angular velocity is root of 3g by L and linear velocity of the tip is root of 3gl. Next, one disc is removed at the center of the another disc. The moment of inertia of remaining part is 15I by 16. 15I by 16. 41. Earth shrinks to half of the size. The duration of the day becomes 6 hours. Change in duration 18 hours. A body is rolling, then the fraction of k translational is 1 by 1 plus beta. Beta means k square by r square. Next, the minimum coefficient of friction required to roll a body is tan mu is equal to tan theta into beta by 1 plus beta. Beta by 1 plus beta. Next, 44. The aerial velocity of the planet is L by 2m. Aerial velocity capital L by 2m. 45th one. The maximum that water height weight become half. Capital R into root 2 minus 1. Next, 46th one. Velocity of the body at infinity is VE into root of k square minus 1. 47th one. The maximum height raised by the body if it is projected 1 by k times of escape velocity is r by k square minus 1. r by bracket k square minus 1. Next, 48th one. The angular velocity of the earth root of g by r, that is 1 by 800 radian per second. 49th one. Escape velocity is 41.4% greater than orbital velocity. 41.4% greater than root 2 times, అంటే 41.4%. Last one, 50th one. Body satellite suddenly stopped. It reached to the earth with a velocity root of v square minus 2v square. v square minus 2v square. You check the key and any doubt also you can call and ask. Okay. My number is 9986898161.